I'm sitting here with Nina Selander, CEO of Nevs, aka SAAB, and I have great news for the whole SAAB community. The car EMILY GT will be built in Trollhättan by the Trollhättan people, and the story with the SAAB will continue. So I must just say first, a big congratulations to you and all the people who has been working with this project, and Trollhättan and Sweden and all the fans out there in the world. The obvious question, how does it feel?
It feels very good.
Yeah.
Like it's amazing. It's hard to describe in words really, because I'm all bubbling inside. This is one of the happiest days I will ever be in, I guess, career-wise.
Yes. And the decision was made yesterday night.
Yeah,
yesterday.
it's just
so very fresh.
Yeah, like 2 days ago.
2 days ago.
Yeah. It's been a long ride,
but
you know, always at the final end, the details must fit, and we need to discuss the last parts. So it's up until just 2 days ago.
So tell me something about the owner, the new, the buyer.
Yeah, it's a Canadian company called EV Electra, and the CEO is Mohammed. They're actually been a little bit in the automotive industry,
yes.
so he knows some of it, but his base is in the telecom.
Yes.
He can tell you more about that, but the biggest part of him is like he sees all opportunities, he sees the positive things, he's a real entrepreneur. So I think this will
He's a character.
He's a real character, yeah.
Yeah, he is full of emotions and feelings and
and he talks
opinions.
A lot.
Yes. So in this business, there's a lot of startups all over the world, Chinese and everything. And why did he choose EMILY GT in little Sweden?
Yeah, because he knew about the legacy. He knew about SAAB, he knew about Nevs, and he understood the community around it. And just as he describes his own family, he describes this as also, he understands it's a family for us.
Yeah.
So I think we clicked right there.
Great. So he knew about SAAB before he approached you, talked to you. Yes.
Yeah. And of course he heard about us because we released it like all the others.
Yes.
So that got his interest, and of course EMILY was a big thing in that.
So there's going to be a lot of jobs, and there's going to be cars produced in Trollhättan again. Could you say anything of the timeline?
No, I prefer not to, because he's the new owner and he decides now. So.
But will you still continue to work with EV Electra?
I don't know. It's up to him.
Okay.
I will always be me, support in either the company or through Nevs, because Nevs will of course be involved in supporting, at least in the beginning.
Yes, so Nevs will continue to exist?
Yeah.
Yes. So is there anything else you would like to say this day to all, I mean, there's a lot of people who invested all their hearts, more than you can imagine. People were laid off and they still continue to work.
They still continue to work.
And believe. This belief is amazing.
They have been voting for us all along.
Yeah.
But a strong memory for me was when I stood there and everything was going into hibernation mode.
Yeah.
And the employees were terminated, and they still kept acting like a team, asking me, what can we do?
Yeah.
So this is their achievement.
Yeah.
Of course, I've been helping and everything, but without them, we wouldn't be here today. So I'm really so happy for them.
Big congratulations.
Thank you
Super.
so much.
We're looking forward for this a lot. Of course.
Thank you.